This week, we're going on a full-on South Island adventure. History, wildlife, and a waterfall mission that turns into a proper family expedition. We kick things off hunting down Maori rock art in the hidden limestone at Weka Pass. One of those, how is this real moments where the past is sitting on the rock in front of you. We then stumble on one of the strangest landmarks in the middle of nowhere, the Red Post, tied to an old railway dream from the 1870s. After that, it's pure high country magic. Epic mountains, huge river valleys, and even a bungee jumper setting it off the Waiau Ferry Bridge. And then comes the main event, Dog Stream Falls, a steep, laugh your way up the hike with bridges, river crossings, and surprise wildlife along the trail, until the forest opens up to Dog Stream Falls. And we finish the mission with a peek at Balmoral Fire Lookout. Join us for another adventure on the Scenic Route.
Oh, wow.
First things first, fuel up the adventure. Diesel sitting at $1.85.9, not bad for New Zealand. Out of the station, onto the roundabout, and there it is. QE2 on the sign, which feels very familiar if you're an Alberta Highway 2 person. GPS says 1 hour and 44 minutes, easy. Then it's just us, the road, and the views. Long highways, big skies, and the scenery's starting to flex. And boom, Frog Rock. Yep, it literally looks like a frog. One turn up a farmer's driveway, because this walk crosses private land. Then the hills open up, and we're at Weka Pass. Time to go find that rock art.
Let's go. Yeah.
Ahoy! Out here at Weka Pass, the landscape is all limestone. Rough, pale rock, and big outcrops sticking out of the ground. Long before this was farmland, the area was forested and Maori traveled through on their hunting rounds. It's on private land, kind of felt like we were intruding. It's on somebody's farm. Now we're walking through fields and going to check out what's here. The Maori used this outcrop as a natural shelter on their trips. They drew on the walls using charcoal and red ochre. You'll spot people, fish, and dogs. Archaeologists show the site was occupied around 600 to 1,000 years ago. Time to get back on the road. Just up ahead is the Red Post. It looks random, but was a legit reference point in the 1800s, making the junction where routes split toward Hanmer Springs and the Waiau, right in the middle of early railway planning days. Now enough history, because the views are about to go full South Island. Wide valleys, big mountains, and river country opening up in front of us. If you're enjoying this adventure, tap like and hit subscribe to help us keep making these videos.
One-way bridges are so different.
There's tons of one-way bridges here, and it always tells you if you have the right of way or the other person does. So the other people have the right of way on this one, but now we get to cross. And this one's pretty cool. It's in a pretty big canyon. This side is bungee jumping. Oh, wow. You can see they're doing riverboat tours down there. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh, just love this bear. Oh. They passed by the one bungee jumping place. Bear said she would bungee jump sometime.
You would bungee jump, Bear? I would. Angelina?
I feel like I have to at least once.
Yeah?
Oh, we're in Hanmer Springs.
Oh boy.
Hanmer. I keep saying it wrong. I say the M first. It's the N first. Hanmer. Hanmer Springs is a little alpine village built around a natural hot pools. First written about by settlers in 1859 and opened as a public bathing spot in the 1880s, we roll through town, then climb out Jolly's Pass toward Dog Stream Waterfall.
Quick snack before we head out on the trail. Give us some energy.
It's for me.
It's Jelina's. It's got no cheese.
Yep,
No cheese for Angelina.
For her lactose and her toddler ants.
And tolerance.
Yeah, you lactose and have toddler ants.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yummy cheese and ham buns.
2 kilometers out of Hanmer, we take the turn onto McIntyre Road. This rolls straight into Mullins Road and to the Hanmer Forest Park car park, the signed start of the waterfall track. From here, it's a steady climb through mountain beech forest to Dog Stream Waterfall. Let the adventure begin. Waterfall track. Spur track junction, Mount Isabel Link, and waterfall. 2.1 kilometers. It's a kilometers.
Oh my god.
No horsies. No horsies. Sorry, Fritz. Dang. You'll blum instead? Oh, they're using an egg as bait.
Yeah.
For the squisher trap?
Yeah.
Ah. New Zealand, they have a pretty big problem with predators. Things that were introduced to the island. Stoats. I don't know if there's weasels. I guess maybe a stoat is a weasel.
Rats.
Rats. Feral cats. And so they're working really hard to eradicate the country of predators. Oh, it's quite uphill. Yeah, you know it's steep when you're doing switchbacks. Oh, bear shortcut.
Oh yeah.
Look at you, Bear. Doing those leg days. These forests have a certain smell to them, and I think it might have to do with whatever this stuff is on the trees, which I try and look up and figure out what it is, but there's most definitely a certain smell. It's the same smell we smelled walking the forest at Washpen Falls.
There's a whole bunch of sap here coming out of the stream. It makes like little sugar streams or something. Pretty
It looks
cute.
so pretty in the sun.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's a sticky.
You want to taste it?
Oh,
Really?
yeah. Seriously, try it.
Okay.
What if it's... Is it Manuka? No.
Try it.
I don't know. I don't think so.
It's really good.
Someone's gonna watch this and be like, you all gonna
we've
die.
seen something about these. Remember? These are bug butts.
Oh, what? You're kidding.
Bug butts? Really earthy,
Sweet.
sweet.
They're very
Yeah.
sweet. Do you remember what the trees are called?
I do not. I'll have to look it up. Man, this is uphill. Serious elevation gain in this one. The girls are trekking,
Yep.
so you'll find out afterwards how much gain, but it's a lot. It's our first wee river crossing.
Very nice.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? 'Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Okay, okay. My whole life got them hand-me-downs, but what that meant was I had my family round. And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for. It's so simple, I
20
just
minutes
say,
to waterfall.
gotta just say, it's gonna be
20 minutes. It's not that bad.
That's
Yeah.
actually really good.
So the sign says 20 minutes to waterfall. Oh my goodness.
You have got to be.
This has been like the eternal uphill. And these stairs are steep.
At least it gives you that hope before the stairs. Yeah. That was only 2 kilometers.
Waterfall, 15 minutes. Oh boy. Oh, look at this.
Crazy waterfall.
This is nice. Oh my goodness, more stairs. This is like some serious uphill. Switchback stairs. Hooah! This is giving me flashbacks of Wellington, you guys.
Yeah.
Of Wellington.
The horse.
Oh my goodness. Found the glowworms, but can't see nothing. It is so pitch black.
There's the doctor, the slug.
Wiggling.
Oh.
Very cute.
Oh, poor little guy.
He's mine now.
Yours now. Oh my goodness. Look at these stairs. Are you dying?
Oh, damn, look at that.
Oh, there's the cable car.
Oh. The way down is only $6.80 each.
I need a cable car. Waterfall, 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay, fine.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's so tall. Oh, it goes up way up there.
Yeah.
Look at it.
That is so cool. Oh.
Imagine water sliding down that.
You would dare.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? 'Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
Are you dishing out Angelina homemade cookies? Oh boy, oh boy. Homemade cookies are the best kind of cookies.
Especially at a waterfall.
Yeah. We made it.
We did make it. It was the forever uphill.
I'm allergic to a bad mood, ayy. Okay, let me ask you if you got a smile on your face, raise your hands up, ayy. That's the mantra. So get up off your feet, go ahead, stand up. Okay, what's the plan, huh? Woke up every day like this.
We are now on the hike back. It was beautiful, refreshing, even a little chilly by the waterfall. Jelena stuck her hair in the waterfall so that way she could get all refreshed. Now it's time to go back to the car. Oh yes, the manuka plant. And manuka honey, super good. It's supposed to have very good antibacterial properties. That's a tricky.
Yeah.
Lancewood, tree reaching 30 meters. Oh. Wow. I see another sign over here. What's this one say? Mountain Beach, tree reaching 20 meters. More common in drier forest at higher elevations.
One right here as well.
This one over here?
The Nuka. Or white tea tree.
White tea tree? So that's where tea tree oil comes from?
Oh.
White tea tree goes to a height of 15 meters. Compared with Manuka, which grows to only 8 meters, white flowers, distribution throughout NZ. Okay, we guessing
5.5.
5.5,
6.
4.4,
I'll just go 5.
5. Okay,
Alrighty.
and then meters of elevation, we'll guess now, even though we can't look at it yet. I'm going to go with 227.
175.
300. 320.
Okay, go for it. What was kilometers?
5.01.
5.0.
4.97.
Oh, snap.
Ha! I guess I walk more.
How does that work?
Tongue out and everything.
Okay.
It is time to head back towards Christchurch and make a few stops along the way, see what we can find. Get a shot of this really crazy tree. Smoke bush. Look at this. It's like pink. That is so cool. Oh, it's soft. So red on top. Pink. Okay, what is the elevation?
440.
Oh!
Whoa. Hello.
Mine says 404.
I think Fritz won because I think Fritz guessed the most.
Yeah, she did.
I guessed above Mom. I guessed 20 above Mom.
Oh.
True.
Oh, snap.
Oh.
How are your guys have such different? How does she have more elevation?
I have no clue.
I'm just better.
Maybe
Because I'm taller.
Emotional, damn it!
Ah.
Her elevation added up over time.
Oh, snap! The Waiau Ferry Bridge opened in 1887, built to replace the old ferry crossing at the entrance to the Waiau Gorge. After years of this river being a seriously dangerous obstacle for travelers, the opening was such a big deal, the nearby flat became known as Champagne Flat. And today, this historic bridge has a second life as Canterbury's only bungee site. And we've timed it perfectly, because someone's about to jump.
Holy cow.
Oh, he went flying.
Whoa.
Oh, it's ready to go get him. Yeah, that was pretty cool. So what do you think, Fritz? Now you've seen it.
No.
It's a big old no from the Fritz. Schnoops. It's right.
That's pretty cool.
All there is babies. Here we see some little quails. having some babies. Must be some spilled grain. See the little feather on the head.
So cute.
Oh, that's their noise.
You heard it?
Yeah. Did you hear it? Up on the ridge is Balmoral Fire Lookout. Built for spotting wildfires after Balmoral forest planting began in 1917. Fire lookouts became a big part of protecting these state forests in the early 1900s. And by the 1940s, they were linked with radio and comm. From up here, you can see why they needed it. Huge hills, open country, and a braided river valley stretching out below. Back through Weka Pass, you see those classic limestone cliffs and weird rock shapes carved by time. And from the other side, the famous Fron Rock. And just like that, we roll back into Christchurch, muddy shoes, full hearts, another epic day in the books. Thanks for coming with us, and as always, keep exploring.